I will be doing something different. Okay, so instead of doing a tutorial today or fashion talk, I want you to go to market with me. I want to do a few fabric shopping, a quick one. And today I'll be going to Oshodi Market. As you all know, Oshodi has been one of my go-to markets when it comes to buying crepe and other things like that. Yeah, so today I want to shop just like one or two fabric share, but I want to take you there. So in case you have not been to Oshodi before, if you are coming from anywhere, Oshodi Market is in Lagos, for those who are not in Lagos. Okay, so if you are coming from anywhere, just take a bus to, I don't know, Mile 2. Then from Mile 2 you get to Oshodi, or where you are coming from, ask them how you can get to Oshodi, and you'll be stopping at Oshodi. Okay, so I will try as much as possible to take you through the process of the journey in the market and the things I am buying. I hope I'm able to do that, because you have to be careful with your phone in the market, and I'm vlogging with my phone. Yeah, so that's just it. Let's go to market. Presently the time is 10:45 at the moment, so let's see when I will get there. Let's see if I will get the things I want on time, and when I'll come back. I will see you in the comments, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly give me a subscribe and drop a comment. Don't forget to like the video as well. This is your own way of supporting this channel. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, so now I'm headed out and with my tote bag, because it always helps me to stay organized. I have my things together in one place. Let's go. Hi guys, so I had to just end my vlog there yesterday because I was really tired. I got back home around 3:45. That was around to 4. With the whole huddle of the bus and everything, it took a long while before I got back, so I was really tired. Yeah, so I want to try as much as possible to just end the vlog today and to end it here. Let me show you some of the things I got. The money I took to the market was about 40,000 naira plus. So let me show you what I got. Yeah, I got this beautiful trimmings for one of my clients. Then I got this fabric for another client of mine. It's an Ankara fabric and it comes in 6 yards. So this was not the exact fabric I was looking for at the market, but this is very close to it. So I sent it to her first, and after we agreed on it, I got it. What else did I get? You agree with me that shopping at the market is really stressful, because sometimes you just have to be walking up and down to get it around. But then, so I got this crepe too. Yeah, this is a very thick crepe, very thick and very thick. I have a steady customer that sells good crepe for me in Oshodi. Funny how I don't have his number, but yeah, I got small boning fabric because I'll be using the shirt fabric. I'll be mixing it together with this Ankara. I'll show you the styling I've done, but I'm not making it today. Maybe not this week, but if I can put it here, I will. I got a couple of things. This sequence plates. I got this sequence plate. Do you know one thing is, I got to a place where I saw it first, and they counted, I think, 15 for 1,000 naira. So unfortunately I couldn't get the size and the same color that I wanted, so I had to drop it. I went to another person's place and the person sold his own for, I think, 18 for 1,000 naira. No, not 18. The first person was 15. This person was, I think, 15 too, for, I think, I cannot even remember, but I know this was the place I got it cheaper. I got it for less. Yeah, I got 20 pieces for about 1,000. So I got, this is 200, about 300 pieces altogether. So yeah, I got lining. It's just 15 naira difference from what you buy on the street. I got this net. Yeah, I think I got it for a client. I think the more reason why I got it is because of this chantilly edge. This is not the original chantilly though, but it's like chantilly design. So if I'm picking out sleeve from here, I can trace it out and get the sleeve. So I got the net for a client as well. Then I got dog face from the market. I think those are like the things I got basically. Yeah, and there's been one thing on my mind that I really want to share. The same way we, the fashion designer, come together to create styles for different body shape and for different people, I always wonder why hairstylists cannot come together to create hairstyle for those of us that don't have edges, so that we can do cornrow with confidence and with the assurance that, oh, our little edges that we are managing will not cut. I don't know if I'm making sense. I'm tired. I'm supposed to make a dress, a purple dress. I'll show you in this video, I think. So I don't know if I'll be finishing it today. I've made it already, so all I needed was just to do the fittings. But I'll be doing the fittings on my client's body, so I'll have to wait for her to come. That is the net on the shoulder. I'll just do the one at the front, then wait for her to come, then I fix it at the back so it will be firm. I think that's like it. Then what am I doing today? I have this Ankara to make for it. So guys, I finally cut the clothes, so I'll just take a nap. So I'll be ending the vlog here. And thank you for watching. And please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, just do me that little favor and subscribe. It's absolutely free. And drop a comment. Please don't watch this video without liking. Just click the like button and drop a comment. Thank you for staying with me. So now I'll be taking a nap. Then when I wake up, I'll just make this. And that'll be all for today because I'm really tired. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.